Resurrection mean? He was seen by 500 witnesses, a little over 500 witnesses, 500 at one time, and then the apostles and some others. And so what this means is every one of those apostles were hung on a cross. Church tradition says that Peter was hung upside down because he didn't feel worthy to be hung up right side up like his master. And then Paul had his head cut off, and then John died of old age on the island of Patmos. So all of these apostles, witnesses of his resurrection, went to their grave proclaiming Christ. They were probably told, hey man, all you gotta do is renounce Christ and say that you were misled or something, and then you're free to go. If it was a lie, I'd have been like, yep, I was lying, now let me go. You know, any natural man would. But these men went to the cross, a horrific, painful, murderous death, a death bound in iron, nailed to the cross for Christ. And they were witnesses of his resurrection.